I told you guys. You want those streets cleaned off on Park Avenue? I got two 25 cubic, the sanitation trucks that I got with the plows on the front. You want them to go? Yeah. Well, if my father doesn't get the payment, then we're not sending the trucks. You got them? I got Frankie and I got Rocco, two of the trucks. They're going to clean off Park. And they'll hit Madison, but I want that payment to go to my father, you understand? Yeah, I already gave him the signal, I told him. But don't tell me that. I want the full payment. It goes right to my father, you understand? I'm not kidding, they're going now. Yeah, Rocco just left. Alright, hey, go. Yeah. Don't play with me because the next time I'll keep the snow on all the streets, you understand? Yes, we're running it from Florida. Isn't that amazing? We know everybody.